Hello, my name is Dr. Maria. What to do if a child is coughing? If the cough is persistent, interferes with sleep or eating, consult a doctor, especially if there's a high temperature or the child has difficulty breathing. If the cough is residual from a respiratory illness, it will subside on its own. Coughing may persist for up to 3 weeks. The key is to ensure the child drinks plenty of fluids and regularly ventilate and humidify the room. Should you give a child cough syrups? No. Cough syrups with expectorants increase the amount of mucus in the bronchi. If the child has a sore throat and coughs, mucus runs down the back of the trachea. Additional mucus from the syrup is unnecessary and can lead to swelling. And for children under 5, remember, any cough syrups are prohibited. Young children can't effectively clear mucus from expectorants. Will milk with honey and inhalations help? Hot milk with honey doesn't affect the treatment strategy. A half teaspoon of honey can be given for the child to suck if they wake up at night due to reflex coughing. When a child coughs due to an irritated throat, cooler drinks or ice cream are more appropriate, reducing the temperature in the mouth minus bacteria and viruses. Inhalation with medications to relieve bronchial or throat spasms is possible. However, only a doctor should recommend them. In addition to staying in a cool and humid room and drinking frequently, offer a coughing child nutritious food, vegetables, fruits, and grains. Avoid self-medication.